An airplane crash-landed in waters near a Micronesian island Friday morning after missing the runway. All 47 passengers and the plane's crew survived. Ireland-based Ryanair was forced to cancel many of its European flights as workers strike in huge numbers. The Netherlands has arrested 7 men for plotting to carry out a large attack. Hamas supporters demonstrated against Palestinian leader Mahmoud Abbas in Gaza City Thursday night. Macedonians vote Sunday on a plan to change the country's name to the Republic of North Macedonia.